Hi friends, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am making brinjal pickle, very delicious pickle and which can be made very easily. The brinjals for this recipe are from my garden. So let us see how to make this. For this pickle, it is better to use long purple brinjal. Even the fleshy variety will be good. So let us chop the brinjals into 1-inch pieces, and then into that add 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Mix it well and keep it aside for 1.5 to 2 hours. After 2 hours, the brinjal releases the water. Now we'll squeeze the brinjal and remove as much water as possible and take it into a plate. Now the brinjal after squeezing can be dried in sun, but I'm not drying it as today there's no sun and it's very cloudy. Into a thick bottom kadai, we'll take 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds and 2 teaspoons of jeera or cumin seeds. And we'll dry roast this for about 1 to 2 minutes. And then we'll powder it coarsely till it cools down. Now in the same kadai we'll take about 150 ml of oil. Here I have used a gingerly oil. Into the hot oil we'll add the squeezed brinjals. Here I have taken about 700 grams of brinjal, and we'll fry this in oil for about 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, now the brinjal is nicely fried. Either we can remove it from the oil and then do the rest in the remaining oil, or move the brinjals to the side, and into the oil we'll add finely chopped garlic. Here I have taken about 25 cloves of garlic and 1 inch of ginger thinly sliced, 2-3 sprigs of curry leaves, and we'll fry it nicely till the raw smell goes and it turns golden brown in color. The garlic, ginger and curry leaves are nicely fried. So now we'll add chili powder into the oil. We'll add 3 tablespoons of chili powder. You can add chili powder according to your taste. And 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well. Now into this we'll add the coarsely powdered mustard, fenugreek and cumin seeds. Mix it. Add salt to taste. And 4 tablespoons of jaggery powder. And about 150 ml of vinegar, and mix it well. Now at this time we can taste the pickle and add salt or vinegar or sugar according to our taste and balance the taste of the pickle. Now the pickle is ready. We will have to store this in the fridge. Hope you like the recipe. Do try it. Thank you for watching.